Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Find My Device Location on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off Find My Device Location on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Here you will find the second option, Find My Device. Click on it and look, the Find My Device save this device location when it's connected to the internet and by default is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now Find My Device Location is turned off in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.